That's my Ford 3500 backhoe. A guy that lives down the road from me had it sitting in his pasture for probably 10 years. Finally stopped in there and asked him about it. Told me I could have it. We hooked my tractor onto it, drove it to the house, I put a hot battery and some diesel in it, and fired it up. Everything on it works, runs great, doesn't smoke. So you see something sitting in a field, old car, truck, it never hurts to stop and ask. Worst thing to do is tell you, get out of there. I bought a many of trucks and cars and all kinds of stuff that way. So don't ever be afraid to stop and ask. If it's been sitting out there and grass has growed up around it, you never know. They may make you a good deal on it. They may give it to you. They may tell you get the hell out of there. You never know. But it never hurts to stop and ask.